Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off your Google Assistant option into a Lenovo Tab P11. First of all, open a Google application, this one. Next up, if you have this panel with More button, tap on More button and go into Settings. If you don't have More button here, tap to your Google account icon and choose Settings in this menu. Okay, I'm going to More option and go into Settings. Here find Google Assistant option and go into, and in this menu scroll down and find General option. And now tap here on the switcher to turn off your Google Assistant and confirm operation tapping turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.